Simple scales, fancy fails. And that's exactly what most business owners get wrong about their funnels. They overcomplicate every little thing. They waste time building complex systems and still struggle to convert leads into sales. Some of my most successful clients, the ones generating 6 and 7 figures, are actually using the simplest funnel strategy I've ever seen. Today, I'm breaking down exactly how to create your own signature hand raiser funnel. And the best part is you can set it up, likely you already have a lot of the content, in a single afternoon. If you're tired of watching your complicated funnels break, or you're just getting started and want to do this the right way from day one, this video is for you. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Haley Dale, a content and marketing strategist for coaches, course creators, and service providers. Today, we are talking about something that could completely transform your business, your signature hand raiser funnel. If you have ever felt overwhelmed by all of the funnel strategies out there, all of the jargon, drop a like on this video to let me know, because I'm about to show you why simpler is actually better. Now, let me ask you something. Are you making funnels more complicated than they have to be? There are a million and one ways to make a funnel. At the end of the day, a funnel is just any way you bring someone in from point A to point B when point B is buying your offer. What I've seen trip a ton of business owners, ton of my friends and clients too, is the idea that you need a complicated funnel if you're going to get wow results. The thing is though, this couldn't be further from the truth. The more complicated your funnel is, the longer it's going to take you to build, the more opportunities it's going to have to break, and the more challenging it's going to be to scale and optimize. Take it from someone who scales and optimizes funnels for 6 and 7 figure business owners on a daily basis. That's why I think everyone should start with a signature hand raiser funnel and save fancy for after that's working. I love this quote from Alex Hormozi. He says that simple scales, fancy fails. Yup, on all accounts. So what exactly is a signature hand raiser funnel? Well, I am so glad you asked. This funnel is perfect for those selling high ticket offers and services, but it also works really well with digital products and courses too. The whole purpose is to use it to identify people who are actually good potential leads for your product or your service. You start with a simple freebie that attracts and validates your potential customer. And don't let the term simple fool you, because as Leonardo da Vinci said, simplicity is the ultimate sophistication. You want to be able to say with 90% degree certainty that because somebody downloaded your freebie, that means they're also interested in your offer. You can definitely use a hand raiser digital product here, or micro offer, tiny offer, whatever we're calling it these days. And if you have trouble with your offer or want to make sure that you have an offer that's actually going to sell, I'm hosting a challenge all about putting together an offer that actually sells, and I'll drop the link down in the description. But for now, let's just stick to the freebie and more on why in a second. So once you have that freebie, you want to follow it up with a so good I can't wait to marry it email sequence that starts with the nurturing and product placement emails leading up to your direct invitations to your point of sale, whether that's a sales page, to a checkout cart, an application, or some version of a sales call. So what makes this hand raiser sales funnel so special? So the magic of this funnel, this particular funnel, comes down to 3 strategies layered on. Number 1, it's building the simplest projection model ever that gives you the levers you need to actually scale this baby by increasing traffic and making incremental tweaks. Us funnel strategists like to throw terms here like CROW or conversion rate optimization, right? Just to use some jargon, right? But the whole point here is that by building out this projection model, a projection model that's really simple, you're going to be able to know, I get this many leads, it turns into this many sales. There's not going to be, because it's not a complex funnel, you're not going to have all these separate branches where it becomes really complicated and really hard to build out that measurement system and build out the projection model and actually see it through. Number 2 is running ads. So because this is a simple PDF freebie, running ads to it is usually much more affordable than any other freebie types, which gets you the data and feedback you need really fast to make the optimizations. And then number 3, getting your hands a little dirty with direct outreach. So what separates you from someone else who offers nearly the same thing is you give a crap about your potential clients. The way you show this is by connecting directly with the people in your funnel who are the most engaged, the most likely to buy based on the actions they take in the funnel. So what I call a hot lead system that gives people a score 1 to 10 or 1 to 5, or as I put in, like 1 fire emoji, 2 fire emojis, 5 fire emojis based on how frequently they've clicked over to your point of sale, is the perfect take it to the next level pairing for your signature hand raiser funnel. And because this thing isn't like super complicated with a bunch of different links and exit points and entry points, it's going to be much simpler to set up that next little system. So should you have a signature hand raiser funnel? Let's cover the why and the when. I think almost every business should have this funnel as a foundational piece for their main offer, especially if that offer happens to be a service or a high ticket offer. That's one of the reasons why I often refer to the signature hand raiser funnel as your bread-winning funnel. I mean, yes, you could play the game of scale and numbers and have an offer that you'd need to sell 100 of every month to hit your revenue goal, but wouldn't it feel easier, path of least resistancy, to have an offer in your business that you could sell 1 or 2 of to hit your monthly revenue goal, especially if you have a package that's ongoing with ongoing payments like a 6-month coaching package, retainer, or group program. Then any other offer and revenue that comes from it is just extra, like a cherry on top. I mean, this ultimately comes down to revenue planning and business modeling, which is a conversation for another day, but just some food for thought. For most businesses, most of the time, I love the signature hand raiser funnel as a foundation and then layering on other funnels for different offers as needed, and only after you have this core funnel serving up leads on the regular that you can consistently convert into dream come true clients. So before we go, I have one final question for you. Are you ready to put this into action and create your own hand raiser funnel? Well, we got to start at square one, which is your offer, and I'd like to help you do exactly that. I'm hosting a free challenge that'll guide you through creating a funnel for an offer for your funnel that will actually sell. The link to join is in the description. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and hit subscribe to be notified when the next video drops. And until next time, happy empire building.